Hello and welcome to mashed potatoes vlog with Ms.Nuboog, as usual. Okay, let's start. First of all, let's boil some potatoes for 20 minutes. After this, we have to peel all the potatoes, as you can see. Peel, peel, peel. And be patient while it's hot and you're fasting at the same time. It's too hot, as you can see. But peeling is kind of a stress therapy, so there is no problem. Okay, thumbs up. Next here, the potatoes peeled off. And with this pinky potato masher, don't forget it's potato masher, the name of it. We start mashing the potatoes just like the way that you see. Mash, 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 mash. And we try to strain the potato out of this strainer. So the strainer, which is مصفاة in Arabic, don't forget. I'm introducing you to new words. See? So here,
yes,
I got Munir's help with mashing the potato.
You are welcome.
Oh my God, you're so amazing. You're welcome. Okay, keep it. خليها. امسكها انت مسك الصحن. hold the plate.
Thank you.
We keep mashing until we get the smooth texture. You're welcome, Mr. Munir.
wait, I'm سامة تتحلق.
Okay, perfect. We need this texture, okay, guys? Let's check. Munir's English so cute, isn't it? Just okay?
Yes.
Perfect.
Like
I made perfect. Okay. I made thumb up. Thumb up, yeah. Here in a pot with this smoothie texture, we add 2 to 3 spoons of butter, actually. And we start mixing with low heat. Don't forget low heat. We keep mixing until it's all combined well. Mix, mix, mix. And we don't forget to add half glass of milk at last. And keep mixing until the milk is all absorbed, okay? Yes, the texture is getting better. Now add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Actually, the spicing process reminds me of my favorite chef, which was Jamie Oliver, my favorite chef. And I advise you to watch him. It was such a benefit for me, actually, for improving English and pronunciation. Here, the mashed potato is ready. Wow. And it is time for serving. Let's serve it. this way. Look at the texture, how soft it is, how wonderful it is. And here is the result of our effort finally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share, and see you in the next vlog with Ms.Nuboog.